So I have a persimmon tree here. A lot of people are curious. It looks pretty dead during winter because it's just woody, very woody. There's no sign of life. And just recently this week, we have these buds. See? And these are the buds where there were the green leaf and flower buds. Not from the trunk, not from here, right here, no. It's from these new buds. You can see over here, this one's a different variety. It's slower, but you can see it looks dead over here, but it's not dead. You see it's still quite flexible, because if it's dead, it's quite brittle. I mean, you touch it a little bit and it breaks off. This one, we have a different variety, and you see that's quite late. See? So don't worry until June. They will bud out before June.